Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. You guys, I don't know what's going on, but I got my Boxy Charm like super early. So we're going to go ahead and go through it because I'm super excited. And as you guys know, there's a giveaway item in here. So we're going to go ahead and get into my box and see what I got. Boxy Charm. Okay, so the first thing in here is what's going into the giveaway. It is the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette in Party Animal. I have mine over here so I can show you guys what that looks like in case you have not seen it. Sorry, my camera moved. That is what that looks like. I hope you guys are excited about that. This is a fun little palette for what it's worth. So this one right here, unopened, untouched, all of that jazz is going to go into my giveaway bucket for one lucky winner. Now let's go ahead and get into this. I want to open this card. Just so you guys know, the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette is $19. Then I got this pair of House of Lashes Boudoir Light Lashes, and these are $9 to $12. I'm actually okay that I got the lashes. I don't know, I didn't really want a lot of the other things that I could have got, like the Becca stuff. I didn't want them. These I will wear for a special occasion. You guys know I don't wear lashes all the time, every freaking day. That would just hurt my lashes. But these look like a fun pair to wear. So I'm excited about those. Then I see something from Bang Beauty. This is, ooh, a gel eyeliner. Let's go ahead and look at this. Ooh, a gel eyeliner in chocolate. It's a brown. I kind of really like that. I don't have, we're going to swatch the color on my hand. Ooh. That will go nice with looks that I don't want to be as intense with a black liner. I'm super excited to have a gel eyeliner. That'll be really freaking good. Then I see a Smashbox Lippy. This is always on metallic matte. And this is, I'm actually kind of excited that it's a metallic lip, you guys. Ooh. This is in, what is this in? Carrot Stick. It's an orange! Oh, we're putting that on right now. I'm going to look crazy with no eyeshadow on, but we're putting it on. You guys, I don't know why, but I totally love this. What do you guys think of the color on me? I am digging it. Like a lot. Look at that color. Then we have the NCLA Treatments So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil, and my cuticles could use some love, so I'm excited to use that. Ooh, this feels really light on my lips, you guys. And then we got 3 Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and I could use some eye masks. Do you guys see it? Look at the bags. Look at what's happening here. They're mini bags, but they're getting there, so we need to do something. Well, that is my Boxy Charm this month, and I'm excited to play around with some of it. If you guys would like to see me use Boxy Charm items to create a look, just let me know, and I totally will. I don't know. Oh, the Smashbox, I don't know how much this one is worth. They're $21 to $24. Wow, this could be the price of the box. Woo! The Wanderer Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks are $13. The Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner are $22. And the NCLA So Rich Lollipop Cuticle Oil, Lollipop, I don't know what that is $18. So this box is worth quite a bit this month, and that is pretty exciting. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!